Understanding slip casting, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of ceramics and learn about an important technique called slip casting. Whether you're an English learner, a budding ceramicist, or just curious, this video will help you understand what slip casting is all about. So, let's dive in. Slip casting is a unique process used in ceramics. It involves pouring a liquid clay mixture, known as slip, into a mold. The slip is usually a fine, smooth blend of clay particles and water. Once inside the mold, the clay particles begin to settle against the mold's walls, forming a shape. This technique is particularly useful for creating complex or intricate shapes that might be difficult to achieve with traditional hand-building methods. The slip casting process can be broken down into several steps. 1. Preparing the slip. First, the clay is mixed with water to create a smooth, pourable liquid. 2. Pouring. The slip is then poured into a plaster mold. Plaster is used because it absorbs water from the slip. 3. Forming the shape. As the water is absorbed, a layer of clay forms against the mold's interior. 4. Removing excess slip. After a desired thickness is achieved, the excess slip is poured out. 5. Drying and removal. The cast is left to dry until it shrinks slightly, making it easy to remove from the mold. Slip casting is not just a technique for making pots and vases. It is widely used in various industries for producing sanitary ware like sinks and toilets, dinnerware such as plates and bowls, artistic sculptures, complex industrial components. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of slip casting and its importance in the world of ceramics and beyond. Whether you're learning English or exploring new topics, remember that every term you learn opens a door to a new world of knowledge. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.